All Pro Home Improvement and Roofing offers professional asphalt shingles repair in Media, Pennsylvania, helping homeowners maintain a strong and reliable roofing system. Cracked, curling, or missing asphalt shingles can lead to leaks, moisture damage, and reduced energy efficiency if not repaired quickly. Our experienced roofing specialists carefully assess the condition of your roof and provide effective repairs using high-quality materials and proven techniques. We focus on restoring the durability, appearance, and performance of your roof while preventing further damage. Homeowners in Media, Pennsylvania trust All Pro Home Improvement and Roofing for dependable asphalt shingles repair services that provide long-lasting protection and peace of mind. Call us today, All Pro Home Improvement and Roofing, to learn more about our services. Are you looking for an asphalt shingles repair near me? You can stop looking. You found All Pro Home Improvement and Roofing. Does asphalt shingles repair improve energy efficiency? Yes, repairing damaged shingles helps maintain insulation and proper ventilation. All Pro Home Improvement and Roofing in Media, Pennsylvania provides asphalt shingles repair services that reduce energy loss and improve indoor comfort year-round. Do I need a professional for asphalt shingles repair? Yes, professional repair ensures shingles are correctly installed, sealed, and aligned. All Pro Home Improvement and Roofing in Media, Pennsylvania has the expertise and tools needed to complete safe and long-lasting asphalt shingles repairs. What is your service office for asphalt shingles repair? Media, Pennsylvania? Our local asphalt shingles repair Media, Pennsylvania office has served Media, Glen Mills, Paoli, Malvern, Garnet Valley, Nether Providence Township, Swarthmore, Morton, Springfield, Broomall, Havertown, Newtown Square, Haverford, Wayne, Villanova, Radnor, Ardmore, Wynwood, Narberth, Westchester, Pennsylvania. Where is your All Pro Home Improvement and Roofing located? We are located at 11 West Front Street, Media, Pennsylvania 19063. Our phone number is 484-759-9206. Visit our website, https://aproofer.com/mediapa.